Hi Fauhow, in this video I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp font style without any app on iPhone. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to find a way to change WhatsApp font style on iPhone easy without any app. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. For the first, just open your WhatsApp app. After opening WhatsApp app, just find the person you want to chat. If we type normal text, it will be like this. Subscribe. Fauhow channel. It is a normal text. Okay, now let's try to make bold text. If you want to make bold text, just give asterisk mark in the beginning of the text and also in the end of the text like this. It is a bold text. That is the first method. And the second method is like this. Just select the text you want to make it bold. And you can see that the icon bold, italic and strike through. And just choose bold like this. And just tap enter. Yeah, it is the second method. For the second font style, I'm going to show you how to type in italic font like this. Just add underline symbol here in the beginning and also in the end like this. This is italic font. And the second method is very easy. Just select the text you want to make it italic. And then just choose the menu bold, italic, strike through and choose italic like this. Yeah, it is the second method. Okay, the third font style, I'm gonna show you how to type in strike through font. Just give tilde mark like this in the beginning and also in the end of the text. It is strike through font style. And the second method to make strike through font style is very easy. Just type the text and then just select the text you want to make it strike through and then just tap menu bold, italic, strike through. Just choose strike through like this and enter. For the fourth, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp font style into Monospace. Type the text and then just select the text and choose the menu and choose Monospace like this and just tap enter. You can also mix bold, italic, strike through and monospace. For example, I want to mix between bold and italic. Just give asterisk mark in the beginning and underscore and also asterisk mark and underscore in the end like this. This is the mix of bold and italic font style. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to mix between bold, italic and strike through. Just type the text and then just give asterisk mark, underscore and also tilde in the beginning and also in the end of the text. Asterisk mark, underscore and tilde like this. And then just tap enter like this. This is the mix of bold, italic and strike through font style. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in changing WhatsApp font style easy without any app on iPhone. If you like this tutorial, just give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you turned on notifications so you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.